Let us move on. First, let's begin with the free online screen recorder. Open your web browser and type free online screen recorder into Google. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once the page loads, you will see an option to start recording. Click on Start Record and the recording will begin. You will then have the choice to select a specific tab, a window, or your entire screen. After making your selection, you can share your screen and choose whether to mute or unmute your microphone, as well as enable or disable your camera. Once you have finished recording, click on Done. Finally, save the video to your device without any cost. This is a straightforward way to capture your screen using a free online tool. First, open your preferred web browser and type Screen Recorder with into the Google search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the link that directs you to the Veed website. Upon entering the Veed homepage, you will be greeted with various options to record your screen, your camera, or both simultaneously. For this demonstration, we will focus on recording just your voice. To begin, click on the Start Recording button. As the recording interface opens, you will have the option to select what you wish to record. You can choose to capture a specific browser tab, a particular window, or your entire screen. This flexibility allows you to tailor your recording to your specific needs. Once you have made your selection, proceed with the recording. In this instance, I will be recording only my voice. Speak clearly and ensure that your microphone is functioning properly for the best audio quality. After you have completed your voice recording, click on the Done button to finalize your session. You will then be prompted to save your work. Choose a suitable file name and location for easy access later. Veed is designed to be user-friendly and is completely free, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create high-quality recordings without any cost. Lastly, we will look at Clipchamp. If you have not seen our previous videos on Clipchamp and its features, I encourage you to check them out. To begin your journey with Clipchamp, simply search for Clipchamp in Google and click on the link to the official website. Once the page loads, you will have the opportunity to try the platform for free, allowing you to explore its capabilities without any commitment. Upon entering the site, you will encounter a range of recording options tailored to meet your specific needs. These options include screen and camera recording, camera-only recording, screen-only recording, and audio-only recording. Each option is designed to cater to different content creation requirements, ensuring that you can select the one that best aligns with your project goals. In this video, I will provide demonstrations of all available recording options, showcasing how each feature operates. I want to emphasize that all features are free to use, making Clipchamp an accessible tool for anyone looking to create engaging video content. Stay tuned as we delve into the functionalities of Clipchamp and discover how this platform can enhance your video production experience.